for him to come right down. Don't move, don't move. A little more, I won't have him. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah. How it's done.
Oh. I'm shaking with you, dude. I can't even get up.
The whole time.
Yeah. Woo.
Adrenaline is just a motoring.
Man, he coming in close. Can I shoot yet? Oh, he's 40 yards, 50 yards. He's like,
Careful, he might do a wild kick on you.
Look at the rope on that boy.
Yeah. Look at this. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you. Thank you, Aaron.
I didn't do all the work.
Huh?
I didn't do all the work.
You do a good portion of it.
And he
really surprised me when he hit right here.
Yep.
I had the adrenaline going, just sitting there waiting for you to pull the trigger. I'm like,
well, I had the gun sitting down like this, and he's like, "Don't move, don't." I'm like, I gotta get ready here.
Yeah.
And he gets behind this cluster right here, and I had no shot.
He turned
and
back.
I'm like, I looked at Aaron. I said, he's gotta go a little further. And finally, he popped out and pulled the trigger, and down he went. Didn't touch. That big dog's got nothing to say on that one. That kicks choke tube, baby.
Awesome.
Yeah. Panned out.
He turned back when you pulled up, though, didn't he? He kept working that way, and when you pulled up, he caught on, and he kind of turned back and like, oh, we better get him home. Yeah.
What a beautiful bird. The colors. What a beautiful bird. And we watched a tom swing into this woods here, and we got set up, and as soon as Aaron Johnson hit the call, I looked over and there he was, and ever since then it was game on. I mean, worked beautiful, just a beautiful bird. First one I've ever taken, and I'm hooked. Loved it.
That, you know, it was like getting down there and
oh, as soon as you hit and he lit up and I looked over, I looked at Aaron and I said, there he is. Outdoor addictions.
getting it done.